Welcome to Class 2. What we're going to start with here is how the rest of the world sees you. So we're going to go to Admin, Modify Your Profile. So Admin, and then the second one down, Modify Your Profile. Now the first thing you'll see here is a picture on the left. You definitely want to have a photo in your profile. Notice that you achieve that by the Upload Picture here in the submenu. There is also this box over here on the right where you can put information in about yourself. We'll talk about that in more detail when we get to Class 3. But let's scroll down and look at some of the things on this page. Notice that my first name, what is called a nickname here, I have total control over, but my last name is grayed out. You have no control over that. And you also have no control over the phone numbers that appear here. These come in from your broker record. So the only way that you would change these is by either changing broker or having a word with your manager or broker about getting them changed. However, your email address and your website, if you use one, are totally your business, okay? And you definitely want to make sure that you have the correct email address in here. This is how not only your clients will contact you, but how the board will contact you. And then notice that your home address and your home phone number is in here. Actually, my home number is missing there, but my home number is in too. These are only used by staff. Don't freak out. It's not going to be shown to anyone. It's only going to be used by staff. At the bottom here, you do have the ability to choose a personal fax number. So if you don't want to show the world your office fax number, you would put your your personal fax number in here and then check this box. And of course, if you speak any additional languages, you'd show them here. All right, now also in this submenu is Manage Contact Phones. This is very important. Your profile is going to show your office phone and your office fax number, but you have total control over any other phone numbers. And this page is split into three. So at the top here, we have a place where you add phone numbers. In the middle, we have a place where the phone numbers that are in your profile appear. And at the bottom, we have where you would show which phone numbers you want the world to see. Notice that the phone type is not a free-form field. You need to select one of the choices offered to you. And finally, at the bottom, there is a button that is very important, this one that says Phone Types. If you leave it as primary, secondary, other, then that's exactly what people will see. They'll have no idea what phone number they're calling. And since CAR tells us that the majority of our clients want to be able to text us, you need them to know what phone number they're calling. So make sure you check Phone Types here. When you're finished, we're going to up to the top left, we're going to click Save. And now we're going to go back to the home page. Now what we're going to look at in a minute is the client portal, in other words how we're going to interact with our clients. And there is a setting that will help you greatly. I want you to go to Contacts, Manage Groups. So Contacts, Manage Groups. Notice that you can create new groups here. So if you want to have different groups to put your contacts in, you can do it here. But what I want you to do is select Prospects, and then at the bottom there is a check mark that says Assigned by Default. Now, you won't know that you're thanking me, but secretly you will be thanking me every time you create a contact. Trust me on that. So go up to the top left and click Save, go back to the home page, and in our next class we're going to start on our client portal. Thank you.